High-quality videos need to go through video editing software to improve and add various features that cannot be captured using the camera. The video editing stage is important and helps many video producers to appeal to the senses of their targeted audiences. Having the right software is important when one wants to create hot online videos. Picking the right software is similar to picking the right car that satisfies the needs of an individual. Today, there are dozens of video editing software in the world. However, not all video editing software can create the right videos that attract views. Even though there are many applications to create and edit videos, the following are some of the most popular tools one can use to create good videos capable of attracting millions of views. The Premiere Pro. The Premiere Pro costs at least $50 each month. Since its introduction, it has become popular nonlinear video editing software throughout the world. It can be used successfully for small or large video projects. The main advantage of the Premiere Pro is that it is consistently updated to incorporate new features. This is important because of the constantly changing environment of creating videos. Accordingly, users get to use the latest features that enable them create top-rated videos. Similarly, Premiere Pro has become a known brand because it integrates its sister programs such as After Effects, Media Encoder, Audition, and SpeedGrade. When the built-in programs of Premiere Pro fail to work, it is possible for users to transfer easily the Premiere timelines between the programs. Moreover, the Premiere can be used to create or refine videos of all codec and formats. Lastly, the Premiere is very adaptable and open because it functions well with other platforms. Unfortunately, the regular updates on Premiere Pro can sometimes be buggy. Also, exporting is a slower process compared to the FCPX. Again, one must subscribe to the Creative Cloud in order to access an up-to-date copy of the Premiere Pro. In this case, one will have to part with at least $50 each month in order to access the desired features and capabilities of the software. Considering the pros and cons of Premiere Pro, it is an ideal technique for people who create a lot of videos and often use programs such as Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects. Otherwise, it would be a costly option for creative artists who only edit or create a few videos at a time. The great features provided by the Premiere guarantees the creation of a high-quality video that can gain many attractions on different social media platforms. DaVinci Resolve. The DaVinci Resolve is a great version of video editing software. Originally, it started as color grading and color correction software. Over time, the Blackmagic design has made numerous upgrades to make it one of the most powerful NLE. The DaVinci Resolve costs $0 for the light version. The main pros of the software include fantastic color features, sleek design, free software, and node-based effects. However, the users must always be worried of the few tutorials available for editing. Animoto. Animoto is an easy-to-use and functional presentation app that allows users to create stunning multimedia presentations. Animoto provides a wide range of tools one can use to create videos for various purposes, especially in the education sector where it is free. Unlike the traditional slideshows, Animoto offers a creative alternative for the users to view and listen to their slideshows. In order to use Animoto, one needs to upload photos, videos, and texts to be used in creating the video. Thereafter, the video maker can add music by choosing from clips from Animoto's wide range of styles and artists. Otherwise, the user can also choose personal music or own voice to use in the video to be created. People who use Animoto must sign up by clicking on the Apply Now button on the Animoto site. The technique is relatively easy to use once the account is created. In practice, this is a major advantage because very little technical skills or knowledge are necessary to creating the video. Once created, the user can share the video with a wide range of audiences through the internet. Animoto is increasingly becoming popular because it offers a simple alternative to creating supercharged videos comparable to high-quality music clips. The app is freely available on Android and iOS. Videos created using Animoto are highly engaging from the start. For instance, the ability to incorporate music, photos, videos, and texts ensures it is an exciting way of presenting information. Besides personal computers, this technique allows one to create their videos even by using their iPhones. For this reason, there is no need for one to incur other expenses related to shooting videos or taking pictures needed for the final product. Lastly, the possibility of using voice and texts ensures the video maker has the ability to provide in-depth details regarding the subject of the video being created. Despite the many benefits associated with Animoto, one should expect the following shortfalls. First, the free version of the Animoto can only create a video that lasts 30 seconds. For long videos, one would need to subscribe for the premium version. Secondly, free accounts for the app have limitations such as video styles. Again, subscribing to the premium version would allow one to access all the features of this great video making app. The videos created using Animoto can be shared with the target audience through platforms such as email, YouTube, Facebook, websites, blogs, and Twitter, among many other online-based platforms. As such, marketers and other users do not have to worry on how to reach their target audiences. Avid Media Composer. The Avid Media Composer is a #1 choice for users who create many videos. It costs at least $35 each month. It is designed to work almost entirely with keyboards alone and, therefore, allows the user to save a lot of time in the post-production process. The main advantages of the Avid Media Composer are that it is great for large projects, has server rendering compatibility, and has an exhaustive feature set. On the contrary, it has a clunky interface and requires a steeper learning curve compared to Premiere, FCPX, and other apps. Final Cut Pro. The Final Cut Pro goes for $299 and guarantees benefits such as fast workflow, compound clips, sleek interface, as well as multicam support. At the time of its introduction, the FCPX became the biggest disaster in the modern history of NLEs. However, this tool has evolved into one of the best apps to edit videos. It has many features that editors find helpful when processing their videos. Despite these capabilities, the FCPX works only in Mac and has no backwards compatibility with FCP7. There are other types of video editing software out there. The types of software mentioned in this list are currently the most popular. Other software options include Lightworks, Sony Vegas, and Autodesk Smoke, and Sony Vegas.